Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Central Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I would like to check in, please. I have a reservation.
Great. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, my name is James Miller.
Let me check that for you. I am sorry, I cannot find a James Miller. Did you book it under a different name?
Oh, maybe I used my middle name. Can you check under James Arthur Miller?
Yes, here it is. James Arthur Miller. You booked a single room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. 3 nights.
Okay. May I see your ID or passport, please?
Sure, here is my passport.
Thank you very much. Everything looks good. Do you have a credit card for the deposit?
Yes, I do. Do you accept Visa cards?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard. Please insert your card into the machine.
Okay. It is asking for my PIN code.
Yes, please enter your PIN and press the green button.
Done. Did it work?
Yes, thank you. The payment is successful. Now I have some good news. We have a free upgrade available.
Really? That sounds great. What kind of upgrade is it?
Instead of a standard room, we can give you a room with a balcony and a view of the park.
Wow, that is amazing. Thank you so much. Does it cost extra money?
No, it is completely free today because the hotel is not full.
I am very lucky then. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, here is your room key card. You are in room number 405.
Room 405? Okay, I will remember that.
To get to your room, you can take the elevator. The elevator is just behind you on the left.
I see it. Thank you. Can I ask a question about breakfast?
Of course, breakfast is served every morning from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included in the price of the room?
Let me double-check your reservation. Yes, your booking includes the Continental Breakfast Buffet.
That is perfect. Where is the breakfast room?
The restaurant is on the first floor. Just press button number 1 in the elevator.
Great. And what about the Wi-Fi? Is there internet in the room?
Yes, we have high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. It is free for all guests.
How do I connect to it? Is there a password?
Yes, the network name is Grand Hotel Guest. The password is written on this small card.
Let me see. The password is Welcome 2024. That is easy to remember.
Exactly. If you have trouble connecting, just call the front desk. You can dial 0 from your room phone.
Okay, dial 0 for help. Got it. One more thing. Do you have a map of the city?
Yes, we do. Here is a city map for you. We are right here, marked with a red star.
Thank you. Is it far to walk to the city center?
Not at all. It is about a 15-minute walk. You just go out of the hotel and turn right.
That sounds easy enough. Is it safe to walk at night?
Yes, this is a very safe neighborhood, but of course, always be careful.
I understand. Do you recommend any good restaurants nearby for dinner?
Yes, there is a fantastic Italian restaurant called Luigi's. It is just across the street.
I love Italian food. Do I need a reservation for that?
Usually it's okay, but if you go after 8 p.m., it might be busy. I can call them for you if you want.
No, that is okay. I will go early. Maybe around 6 p.m.
Then you will be fine. Is there anything else I can help you with, Mr. Miller?
No, I think that is everything. You have been very helpful.
It is my pleasure. Oh, I almost forgot. Checkout time is at 11 a.m. on your last day.
11 a.m. Okay. Can I leave my bags here if my flight is late?
Yes, absolutely. We have a luggage room. You can leave your bags with us for free.
That is very convenient. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay at the Grand Central Hotel.
Thank you, Chloe. Have a good afternoon.